You know, I'm a big fan with Laravel microphone. When I travel, I just love using Sony Laravel stereo microphone. Only right now Sony have the stereo Laravel microphone in the market because I love stereo while I'm vlogging. I wanna capture some background noise, good background noise, some ambient noise at background which make the vlog more authentic. So I bought the ECM-CS10. This is the upper version from the ECM3. Jump to the unboxing table. Yeah, jump to the unboxing table. So here it is. I'm a huge fan of Sony ECM3. Now this one is ECM10. I'm ECM-CS10. I love stereo microphone. I usually use when I'm vlogging outside. I hate using a shotgun microphone. It do not get good quality sound and I look like annoying outside in the public. Please stop using a shotgun mic for vlogging. Please, I beg you. Due to one of I'm a stupid YouTuber. Casey something. He started using like a shotgun. I mean, I don't know why people use a shotgun microphone for vlogging. A Laravel or a Lav or a lapel mic is going to get much better audio, and then directly record on any audio recorder. Just by audio recorder. Even I'm gonna use this one with this audio recorder. I'm gonna put in my pocket. Use this one on my polo shirt. Simple, and do the audio sync. I mean, I saw a lot of YouTubers using a big, Rode shotgun mic. I love them. They are good for interview purpose or video on the go. Especially, if you are gathering news, if you can't hold like a interview mic in front of the what is called the client, or client, the talent or whatever you wanna, take the audio. So that one is good. But for vlogging, just use a stereo lapel mic or use a, I forgot that name. Is a $250 microphone from Sony. Is like a clip microphone. And that one is best for vlogging. Okay, let me open gently. Okay. Is it opening? Unopen with love. Okay. Is that opening or not? Okay. 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 Okay, finally here we go. I don't want to break it. Okay, here we go. Okay, now let me close my switch now. And there is a art when you open a microphone packaging. Literally, I don't want to damage the wire. I did this kind of. Okay, is the wire damaged? Is the wire damaged? No. Okay, it's not damaged. Yeah, luckily. That's why I was a little bit like soft when opening. Okay, let me take out the microphone. Okay, it's plugged there beautifully. Okay, let me take out with love. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Even I'm gonna make a comparison video with the ECM3, so make sure to subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna compare. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is like quite good quality. Just use this clip, and then yeah. So now jump back to me. I'm gonna test the audio. So right now using with the my Tascam recorder, as you can see, yeah, I'm using the with my Tascam recorder. You need to be the judge how good is the audio. Yes, you need to be the judge how good is the audio. To me seems quite good. Yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the audio of the ECM10. Don't forget to subscribe Jimmy a Geek.